It's fun. It's a good experience for me.
It's kind of like a good nature experience, but it's kind of tying in a lot of different things.
I think it's really going to be awesome because I've never been out on a boat with a class before. I've never been on a boat, period.
I know a lot of people experience the Missouri River from shore, and we really want them to experience it from on the water, to feel it, to connect with it, and to hopefully spark an interest in preservation or even history about the Lewis and Clark expedition.
That was really fun.
So we're here in central Missouri, and this is part of the Lewis and Clark National Historic Trail from Wood River, Illinois out to the Pacific Ocean, so 11 states, 3,700 miles. And the National Park Service is the administrator of that trail.
We are taking Columbia Public Schools' entire 4th grade out on the Missouri River for a program called Missouri River Days.
I think there'll be a lot of excitement when we get on the boat, but I hope to focus that on really looking at the nature, looking at the wildlife, looking at the river itself. And we're going to do an activity called I Notice and I Wonder. And in the discussion, I think that the I Wonder section really gets towards scientific inquiry. What you wonder helps become the questions that science is built on.
It's got these big fins here to help control it as it glides across the bottom of the river.
Station 1 is Meet a Fisheries Biologist, where they get up close and personal with not just a scientist that works on the Missouri River, but also the species that they study.
We've got the black carp on the top here. This fish actually eats mussels or freshwater clams.
Station 2 is Observation is a Skill, which is a guided hike through a Missouri River bottomlands forest.
If you're out in the woods and you find a plant, should you eat it? No.
Station 3 is Through the Eyes of Explorer, which is where students are studying Lewis and Clark's journals, and then they have their own opportunity to do the same as well. But we use watercolors. This is a little bit more fun.
So we're making a watercolor of our surroundings.
Of that
Of the
main
Missouri River
spot.
with the trees and all that stuff.
And it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
This is the sky and this is the trees.
We feel that when people are most connected through something is when they have an experience with it. So Missouri River Days is experiential in character.
Oh, it's fun. It's fantastic. Kids are really enjoying it. They love the nature side of things, and whatever gets them out of class as well, they love that too. So.
My favorite part was the boat ride because we got to be scientists. They asked us questions about the river and what we thought about it. I liked it when we hiked through the woods. That was one fun field trip.
Thanks for watching Outside Science Inside Parks. Be sure to check in each month for new episodes.